Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I am trying to video and leave content that I know would be things that you all would like to see, and I know I've got a little bit behind with Levi going to virtual school and trying to figure all that out, but I am going to probably be putting a couple videos a day out so that I can get caught up with things and show you all what I've got. And I do have everything I've done pretty much on my, as far as my makeup goes, but I will wait and post that after, except for the Oakford palette. I'm going to be putting that one up because that is on sale still, and I wanted to show that to you all because I know some of you had mentioned being interested in getting that palette. So I have my Boxycharm Premium, and this box weighed 1.8 pounds, and it is variation 52. So let's see what I got. I got the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder, and this retails for $33. So that pretty much pays for the box, because I personally have never seen the Born This Way products on sale. I'm not saying they've never been on sale, but I have never seen them on sale, and I do keep an eye out because I really want to try their foundation, but it is kind of expensive, and I do have other foundations, so I haven't pushed getting it because it's not like something I really need. But I do plan on getting it soon because I'm hearing so many people say how great it is after getting the, I actually have my package here, the Born This Way concealer. I do really like this. So now I do want to try their foundation. But again, I'm going to look a little bit longer and see if I can see it on sale. So the Born This Way setting powder. This setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. Again, that was $33. And then I got this. I thought this was one of the highlighters when I first got it, but this is actually a little brush. It says a contour. Is that what it says? It says a portable contour and concealer brush, $150. By Fenty Beauty, of course. You can probably tell by the packaging. It's a magnetic retractable contour and concealer brush that attaches to your favorite matte skin stick, or seamless sculpting and blending in a snap. And this retails for $24. It really is kind of odd though. Look, push that down. Look, it's, I guess if you're traveling and you're in a bind, but, and it is, I'm gonna have to try it and one day use this and see. I guess it would, I'm gonna have to review this for y'all one day and see if I can really use this for contour. So there is that. Oh, I get it back in here. And then I got, this was my choice, the O. Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. It says, this vitamin C powdered illuminating makeup primer delivers instant radiance while improving and extending makeup wear. Inspired by the makeup artist's must-have banana powder, this subtly, don't you just hate it when you know a word and it just, your tongue just gets tongue-tied and you just cannot say the word? The Sunny Makeup Primer contains brightening pigments to bring radiance to the entire complexion. This retails for $38. And again, this was my choice. I have the, I opened it and I have, this hand really bothers me a lot and it twisted just wrong, why I said ouch, but there's what that looks like. I have the Sunday Riley moisturizer, so, and the other premium box I got the Sunday Riley retinoid stuff, the retinoid A or whatever. So I wanted to try this because I have never tried an old Henriksen product before. So there is that. It does not show anything, but it feels nice. It doesn't feel real tacky. So I got that, and then I got another one of these. So I'm not going to open this. This is the Editor Palette, New England. I will attempt to leave you all a link above if you want to go back and didn't see my other premium, because I did review this. I'm not going to open this one because this will go in a future giveaway, so I don't want to open someone else's product. Since I did review this one, it is a really nice palette, so, or I thought it was, so that will go in a future giveaway. And that is the Ciate London New England Editor Palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Okay. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. And that retails for $32. And then I got the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Longwear Gel Eyeliner has a highly pigmented waterproof formula that stays in line all day long. Hydrating avocado oil and hyaluronic acid combine to smooth the look of skin, so liner glides on without pulling or catching. The liner comes with a shaper and a smudger to allow for precise application or a smoky effect, depending on your mood. And this retails for $22. I do like any other Milk makeup products I've tried. Not that I've tried too many, but I do like what I have tried. So there's the smudger in. And there is, I am really happy to get that. Look how pretty, because I don't have any browns that I just really like. I have used black eyeliner for so many years. That's pretty much all I had, so I just recently decided to branch out. See, I put on some blue eyeliner. It was the, I think, LA Girl or something, the blue that I put on, just to experiment and see how it wears. Because I've had some people, let's see if you can see it too good. I've had some people ask me about eyeliner for the waterline, so I put it on to see how long it wears, so I'm not one that's going to tell anybody things I don't know, or if I tell you, I'll tell you I'm not sure, but so far I am liking it. If you can see in the video, if you can see in the video how it's a pretty, like, electric blue. And then I got the MAC satin lipstick in the color 813 Mocha. And this says, a creamy lipstick formula with a soft, cushiony feel, medium to full buildable coverage and a satin finish. And this retails for $19. Of course, I think all of theirs come in those bullet looking things, and yeah, I've still got swatches all over me from just doing my lips and the palette and all that, but that is that color. So let's see. My phone is in my good phone is in the other room because I was doing a video and I used my phone because I wanted to get that video out to you all as quick as I could. So my phone is in the other room doing its thing so that I can hopefully get that out to you all. So I know, here it is. I was going to tell you all my box total was $38 for O. Henriksen. The Ciate London palette is $32. The Too Faced powder is $33. The MAC lipstick is $19. The Milk makeup eyeliner is $22. And the Fenty Beauty contour brush is $24. So my box total value is $168. I think that is a good box. I mean, for the price, I think that is a really good box. And I have something else to go in a future giveaway. I'm sure someone will love to have that. And I think that was it. So I'm going to be getting this up probably tonight, and I have some other videos that I need to be getting up, so I am going to, I've still got 3 or 4 here that I need to get done tonight so I can be sure to get all of my things up over the weekend for you all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.